Okay, today we're going to visit one of the sites here in Nevada. So Tina is I will just be following her. Coming up to Great Basin Visitor Center. So this is a national park. We're gonna go see a Great Basin, or maybe there's something more interesting than that. Okay. Visitor center is closed, so we're gonna try to do one or the other activities you can do in this park. There's a 1 hour option. You just want to drive and walk. Half day. There's also a full day. So depends on your physical or time availability. So we're heading up to the Great Basin National Monument or National Park. This is they have a scenic drive in one of those areas, I think to the right. Once we get to the visitor center, the Lemon Cave Visitor Center, and we will see from there. Taking the scenic pass or scenic drive through the Great Basin National Park. So they said any vehicle more than 24 feet is not allowed to climb up here. So I'm expecting high degrees or steep angle on this drive or twisty turns, but we will see. But this is nice area. Elevation 7,000 feet, and this looks like a nice part of the drive because you can see all those trees, very green, and the mountain is filled up with trees. So I like that view. Lemon Creek campground. So they have the mountains. I don't know if you can see it from this camera angle. They still have snow on top, and my ears popping now because of the elevation, air pressure change. But you can see very nice mountain view right there on top. Right now it's 71 degrees up here. Down there it was like 75, so it's 4 degrees difference. Elevation 7,500 feet, so we already climbed up 500 feet. And here there's some signs. It says construction zone. And then this is called Liman Creek Campground. So you can actually camp here if you want. I don't know how much they charge. For sure you have to pay. And we're on a steep climb. From the top, although we're right at the edge of the road. And I got this camera tethered to my recharger, that's why it's moving by itself. So if you get a trailer, it's gonna be hard to climb up here, but it's so nice. It's so nice outside. You can see. But we're just driving under 30 miles per hour. And you don't really want to go to the side because you don't know. Well, we know it's too high up, so if you roll down there, it's gonna be dangerous. Here alone, it's worth coming here. So you guys want to check this out. This is in Nevada. It's only a few miles, maybe 2 hours from Utah or border. Now we're at elevation 8,000 feet. So we climbed 1,000 feet already. Changes, and you can see mountain ranges there to the right. So fun or not, make sure you click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Places, have some adventure, sightseeing. Well, driving here is an adventure. At least the car is still working well. It's not really very steep. Going down is probably the most difficult part because it will just want to accelerate by itself. But here is still good because we're just driving here. Thank you for riding shotgun with Pan from Fun or Not. It's morning right here. It's like 10:30 local time or 9:30 local time because my car, I didn't adjust my car clock, so my phone has adjusted, but I don't want to look at my phone while I'm driving here. This keeps changing directions. Okay, now we're going downwards. So there's an exhibit ahead. Some people have parked there to the side, resting. Oh, they're going hiking. They have their hiking sticks with them. Nice views to the right, but they're plains. Sharp turn. Elevation 8,500 feet. Now 66 degrees. Want to open the window? Well, I'll just open this vent to get the cold air inside. Because it's sunny outside, you know, it warms up the car like 5-10 degrees higher. And if I open the window, it's gonna be noisy for you guys. You know, I have only a cheap camera. Big hairpin turn coming up. So it changed from the big drop to the, we're now at the mountainside. So maybe feels very hot on the skin, but it's 64 degrees now, and I can feel the pressure already changed again, so my ears popping. More driving. White stuff here, they're not stone, they're ice. They haven't fully melted yet. Well, it's very nice weather today, sunny. Temperature is cool. It's now at 62. It dropped down 2 degrees. There's still ice on the side of the mountain. Camera caught it. So elevation 9,500 feet, 9,500 if we say it in American English. 9,500 Filipino English. 9,500 feet. Ah, nice mountain. Still have snow up there, right?
I know.
Cool. And we have a viewing deck here, and I think they closed the telescope. We're here, the Great Basin Mountain. Hello, fun or not? And I would like to thank Tina for being our tour guide, for She invited me to come here, and it's really cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So this is a nice overlook. Too bad we don't have the telescope.
Yeah.
But I don't know what you'll see there. Maybe some skier,
Maybe.
extreme skiers. They could ski down there,
Huh?
but they will reach a rocky stuff there. So
Yeah.
maybe it's not a good idea. But who knows? You'll see it on YouTube. People are doing crazy stuff. But it's nice.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good view. This is the road we came from. And it's cool here.
Yeah. I want to see what that sign says down here. Probably.
You can take a look. It's hiking. Hiking on the side of the mountain. So if you believe we walk up here instead of driving, then I don't know. It's not gonna be fun. But it will be fun for the people who will be just watching. It's the same Wheeler Peak overlook. Great Basin National Park. I'm at a national park. Yay! At least I'm gonna be able to use my free pass. Thanks for giving me that.